Hello there, this is Jamie from the Redbank Public Library. Today on Power Play, we're celebrating the Olympics with a sled racing game. You could pick up a kit from our library porch or use supplies you have at home. In the kit you'll get paper stars, paper circles, that'll be the game spaces, a black rectangle, a cup that has already been cut and has popsicle sticks already hot glued to them. This will be the sled, and a sheet to create the game die. You'll also need tape, glue, scissors, and something to color with like markers or crayons. First, I'll show you how to make the game die. In the spaces, you'll want to write 1, 2, and B. You'll also want to write 1, 2, and B in the other spaces. Make sure there are 2 of each so that it makes the game fair. The 1 is for player 1, and the 2 is for player 2, and B stands for both players. Now you could cut it out. Now make sure not to cut off the tabs. You'll need them to assemble the game dice. You see the dotted lines? You want to fold along these. You'll also want to fold the dotted lines on the tabs as well. After you're done, you can apply the glue on the tabs and attach them to their corresponding sides. You can also tape it if it makes it easier. Then you can roll the dice and test it out. Now we're going to put together the sleds. You can use the black rectangle to make seats for the sleds if you like. You would fold them in half and then glue the bottom side to the inside of the cup. And then put the flat up, and then you'll have a seat. Then you can use the stars in the kit to decorate the sled. Some of them are just paper and will need to be glued on, but some of them are stickers. You can also decorate using markers or crayons. Make sure that one sled has a 1 somewhere on it to indicate that it's for player 1, and then 2 for player 2. You could put your favorite small toy in as the rider, or you can make your own friend out of paper. I made a tiger because it's the year of the tiger for the Lunar New Year. All done? Ready to play? I'm going to show you 2 ways you could set up this game. This is the first one. The orange spots are for the start and finish. You could write down the circles if you want. Then set up 2 rows of circles between the 2 orange dots. Then place the players at the starting line, and here we go. We're going to be rolling the die to see who gets to move first. Alright, see, we rolled a B, so that means both players get to move 1 space. B again. So both players move up. Both again. Oh my, looks like it's going to be a close race. Both again. Now player 1's in the lead. Okay, let's see who wins. Player 1! Congratulations, player 1. Here's another way to set up the game. You could line up all the circles in one line and have both players use the circles. I wonder who will win this time. Let's see. Alright, roll the die. Up. Player 1. Again. Player 2. Alright, they're on the same space. Player 2 just pulled into the lead. Will one be able to catch up? Let's see. Player 2. Player 1. Oh, he's up right behind him. Player 2. Let's see. Player 2. Player 1. Player 1. Oh, player 1's catching up. Both get to move forward. So Tiger moves 1. And the boy moves 1. 2. So there goes Tiger. And player 1. Oh boy, this could be a close race. Oh, player 2. It's a B, so they both get to move up. Oh my, they're very close. Player 2. Oh, let's see. Both of them move up, but Tiger wins! Yay! Good game, everybody. Thanks again for coming to Power Play. And don't forget to watch the Olympics. It starts February 4th. Okay, see you soon. Bye.